Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, so there's not really any GTO transfer case removal videos, so I figured I'd make something pretty short. Alright, so transfer case up on these, they're like hydraulic jack stands. I'll post a link. They're pretty freaking awesome. And then these 5 bolts need to be removed. So they are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, back there. It's up over there. And then there's 5. And then if you're hoping for it to just fall, well, it won't, because it's really friggin' on there. So I suggest taking one of these, and you get some distance between the transmission and it, and you can slowly start working it out between here and here. You jam it in there. Just be careful of the fins. They're a little brittle, but yeah, eventually it'll give way and hopefully not knock me out. So I'll make another video in a second. And voila, there it is. So this holds it pretty good. There's a bunch of grime and nastiness around this area that holds it pretty good, but all this is going to get cleaned up. Take this axle out here eventually. But yeah, there it is. It's a little heavy. Don't let it smack you in the face. You'll probably stay under your vehicle for the rest of the evening until somebody comes and finds you. So